Can you explain what's going on?
I'm locked. I can't even make the subject yet.
Oh, this is great.
Yeah, no, dude, it's like the handle's moving, but that it's not moving the actual mechanism. Like, you see it?
Yeah.
Oh my god. There's no.
Put a credit card in if I give it to you?
Yeah, I could. If you give me a credit card, maybe I could slide it in.
Okay. Can you see it?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay. Don't push it too hard. I'm right here. Go ahead.
I'm trying, dude.
Yeah, it's broken.
It's broken. It's not unlocking. Here's your card. Here's your card back. I put a tip on it.
Okay.
Dude, I'm so pissed right now. Fuck! All right, I have no idea how the audio is going to be. You know, sometimes when I shoot, like, I always know how the audio is going to be because I control the environment, but I'm out here at Croton Dam and the dam's right back here, so I have no idea if it's going to be too loud for you all to hear, but I've been talking about it. I ended up going on a trip to go visit Billy. Really quick trip. I'm talking about like 36 hours or less. I flew out yesterday, which was Friday afternoon. Got up here late, we did some flying, and now we are here doing some filming and getting some great shots. I've been really bored with the scenery back home, so I wanted to do a video, more of a flight vlog. Haven't done one of those since May, so I really hope you guys enjoy this footage because no idea how the audio is on this or how the footage is actually going to turn out because it's been crazy overcast and there's just not a lot of color. So enjoy. We'll see you soon.
Now, existence, you see, is something that is spontaneous. The Chinese word for nature, zhiran, means that which happens of itself. Your hair grows by itself. Your heart beats by itself. You breathe pretty much by itself. You don't have voluntary control over these things. So we say it happens spontaneously. So when you go to sleep and you try to go to sleep, you interfere with the spontaneous process of going to sleep. Try to breathe, you know, real hard, and you find you get balled up in your breathing. You've got to let go and let it happen. In music, one doesn't make the end of a composition. If that were so, the best conductors would be those who played fastest.
What, are you crazy, dude? Oh my god. Oh shit.